my channel. I know it's been such a long time since I created a video, but I am back and I'm doing something a little bit different, a video that I haven't done before. So I'm going to be doing an install, and this time it's not, if you follow me on Instagram and you follow me on TikTok, you know that I have made changes to my business. I do now sell also luxe synthetic wigs, so it's a higher quality of synthetic wigs. They come plucked, of course, by me. Sometimes I cut layers, I may straighten it, I may curl it, different things. They're mixed blend synthetic wigs, so you can curl it up to 400 Fahrenheit. So I'm going to be installing. It is easy to install one of my synthetic wigs. So you can either wear it glueless, or if you're like me, I just like to be extra secure, so I always spray down or glue my wigs, and that's what I'm gonna be showing you today. They're super easy. All of my synthetic wigs are on my website at briamiawigs.com, and they go for $109. Again, they come customized by me, plucked, which you're gonna see. I'm going to show you a synthetic wig not plucked and then a synthetic wig plucked, so you can see the difference, because it really makes a huge difference and it looks more natural. So stay tuned. Okay, so today this is going to be the synthetic unit that we're going to install. So I already went and plucked her. Okay, nice highlight wig. And if I would have came on here and not told you guys that it was a synthetic wig, you wouldn't have known. Like, it looks that natural. It is a 13x6, so you have parting space. Only in the middle it's 6 inches deep, and then on the sides it's like, what is this, an inch or so, or 2? Yeah, so you have a lot of parting space. I'm going to put it on to show you guys can see. This one, not all of them, but some of the synthetic wigs I get from my vendor do come with an adjustable band. So this one has it. Okay. Now I want you to see, get into it, the plucked hairline. Now I have a lot of forehead, so I could bring it down some. So look at how this looks. And this is a synthetic wig. Again, they are mixed blend synthetic units, and they all come like this. So it'll come plucked, and it will come style how you want it. I thought it would look really pretty to put this in a side part. You can do a middle part, but for this video I'm gonna do a side part. And they look really natural. And I never thought I would be wearing synthetic wigs, like, ever. But listen, you can make them look good, okay? Alright, so we're going to be installing this. First, what you're going to need is the Eben spray. I use this spray, the Eben spray. You can use whatever color you want. I use the black one because it is sweat resistant. And me, I've said this before, I sweat pretty easily. So for me, I like to use the black one. You could use the gold one. They have an orange one. This, we don't use Gotta Be No More. Everybody knows that. This is what you need. So you use this, or you could use glue. It depends on how many days I'm gonna keep my synthetic wig on. You can't sleep with it. You just have to wrap it up. So what I'm gonna do first is cut the lace, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get to installing, because I like it cut first. Okay guys, so when you're cutting the lace, and for me in all my wigs, whether it's synthetic wigs or custom made wigs, you can request to have your lace cut off. I will do it for you, but if not, and you want to do it on your own, or if you forget to tell me to do it, this is how you're gonna do it. Never cut straight across. Like, never just cut straight across. You're gonna want to cut right here. I usually make a split in the middle, cut up to the hairline, and I just go up and down. Go up and down, try to cut in a zigzag. They also have scissors. I've seen those like craft scissors that's kind of like zigzag already, and then you can get something like that. I'll post a link for those type of scissors down below. Because I actually need to get some myself. Make it easier. If you cut some hairs off of the hairline, that's okay. It's no big deal. honestly. Just don't cut too deep into the hairline, but just do an up and down zigzag motion cutting, and you'll be good. Because when you cut straight across, it looks so unnatural. It's not gonna look good. So this is how it's gonna look. I'm gonna cut the other side same way. Zigzag up and down. Ooh. Make sure you pin your wig back. Then I'm gonna do this last piece. Okay, so this is how it looks when you, and I just added makeup. Some people don't like makeup, but I do. I wear makeup, so I add a shade closest to my skin color or a teeny bit lighter, and then I just brush it on the inside and a little bit on the outside. So once I spray it down, it'll melt way better. You see, look at the plucking. So the plucking makes it look real natural. So I'm gonna show you a wig that has not been plucked yet, and you'll see. This is a synthetic unit that I will be installing next. Now it isn't a 13x6, it is a T part, but you can see it's not plucked. So once I pluck it, you'll see the difference. It'll look more like this, more natural, more like scalp. It'll look way better. So there's a difference. All right, so we're about to melt this. Okay, so you see, after I sprayed it, sometimes I'll pull out a piece and I'll spray on my skin, and then I'll spray on top of the lace, and then I do that for this side. Now I'm going to do it in the middle, and then after I put down the melting band so that it could set. Okay, so let me do the middle, and less is more, honestly. Don't need too much. Then I'll pull out a little piece of hair. See, this is so simple. I'm gonna spray somewhere right there. Okay. Hard part is done. Now we're gonna add the bands, and we're gonna leave it on for like 10 minutes. I put it on as tightly as possible. Sometimes it will give you a headache, so you can loosen it. But I think I've gotten used to it by now. And then you just hear the Velcro. Okay, so you're gonna leave this on, and you could blow dry it. I don't, I just literally leave it. And then I'll show you guys how it looks when I take it off. Okay, so I took the band off, and this is how she looks, guys. Probably spray a little bit more here, but I'm liking how it looks. Loving the color. So that wasn't so hard, and you don't need a lot of even spray at all. You can part her in the middle. Where's my comb? You can part her in the middle. I'll do a middle part because it is 6 inches back, but I like it to the side. I've been liking side parts lately. So this is a nice fall color, nice universal color that will go with almost basically every skin tone. And this is how she looks. I'm telling you guys, it's so easy. It literally takes 10 minutes. Again, they're called Luxe synthetic wigs, and I have videos on Instagram and TikTok, which I will be making YouTube videos on how to revamp your synthetic wigs, so you don't need to throw them away. And again, you can sleep in them, just wear a freaking bonnet. And like, I put mine in a ponytail and then wrap it and tie it into a bun and then put the bonnet on. You can put heat to it, but it looks really good. And this is gonna last me a good 4 days before I take it up, and then I'll just wipe off the you could usually use you can actually use a baby wipe and get off of the spray on the lace, and then I just reinstall whenever I want to wear it. I'm definitely gonna wear this wig for Halloween, y'all. Okay guys, so subscribe to my channel, click the link down below for all the details, the link to this wig, Ebin spray, everything that I use, hot comb, everything will be down below. And give this video a thumbs up. See you later, guys. I hope this makes it easy for you, because it really truly is easy. And then I have a lot of other synthetic wigs. I have ones that like the one I showed you earlier, it's not a 13x6, it's a T-part, and I still pluck. You don't even have to glue that down. That's just a slide on, slide off. You don't technically have to glue this down, but I like how it looks melted. So the choice is yours, guys. Bye.